In this video, we will talk about the new feature of Bookkeeper, that is Bookkeeper Web. Bookkeeper Web allows you to upload your company on a site so that you can check your data from any location and from any device, that is Windows, iOS, Mac, Linux, Android. You just need a web browser to check your data. Now let us see how Bookkeeper Web works. Firstly, make sure you have the latest version installed and you are having an active subscription of Bookkeeper and you are logged in with the admin user. The Bookkeeper Web option will show you on the main screen here. After that, you need to click on Upload Company on Bookkeeper Web. After uploading the company, you will see the status as connected. So now your company is uploaded on the web. Now you need to go to our site bookkeeperapp.net and log in here. After signing into the site, you will see an option of My Company. You need to go here, then click on Bookkeeper Web again. And as you can see, the company is uploaded here. So you just need to select the company, enter the admin password and then log in. And now all your data is uploaded on the web and you can check all your transaction, all the reports here on the web only. So that is all from this video. Thank you.